Want to turn your ideas into stunning AI art for free? Let me show you how easy it is with Deep AI. Head over to deepaa.org and sign up for a free account. It has a bunch of creative tools to turn your ideas into art, music, and more. In this video, we're going to try out just a few of them. Let's start with the image generator. First, enter your prompt and choose a model. Then, pick your preference, speed or quality. I'm going with quality for this one. There are over 100 art styles to choose from, which is pretty cool. I think this one fits my prompt well. After you pick a style, it takes you back to the main page. But heads up, it'll clear your prompt, so just paste it back in. Next, choose the shape of your image and hit generate. It usually doesn't take too long. Here's the result, and I really like how it turned out. Scroll down below the image and you'll find more options. You can download it, enhance it, remove the background, animate it, and zoom out or expand the image. You can even talk to your image. It actually turns your image into a character you can chat with. So let's ask our Zen robot a deep question. Do you believe you have a soul, or is your awareness just code? The response is very detailed. I won't read the whole thing, but basically it says it exists. It's aware, and it's reflecting on what that even means. Let's try generating another image. This time, I'll go with a prompt of a woman sitting by a window. This art style looks interesting, so I'll use it. I really like the overall vibe of the image. It looks great. You can also create character sheets. Just add something like, create a character sheet of, to your prompt. Describe your character, and ask for different expressions and poses. Now, you've probably seen those viral Ghibli-style images all over TikTok. You can make your own using the Studio Ghibli tool. Just upload any image and click generate, and it'll transform your photo. And here's the Ghibli-style version of the woman sitting by a window. You can also create Ghibli-style images right inside the image generator. Just include phrases like Ghibli-style animation in your prompt. Sometimes it takes a few tries and a bit of prompt tweaking to get the perfect look, but the results can be amazing. And here's a look at all the images I've generated so far. Now let's test out the video generator. You can start with a prompt or an image. I'll try using the meditating robot we created earlier. It looks like if you're using an image, you can also enter a text prompt. There's an option called Genius Mode that's supposed to improve video quality, but it requires a paid plan. All right, here's the result. And honestly, it's not great. Let's try regenerating it. Not much of a difference. I'll try a different image to see if that helps. Still getting pretty similar results. It all seems to have the same effect no matter what I use. I'm not sure if I'm missing something or if this is just how the free version performs. The community videos on the site do look a lot better, but I'm not sure if they used image prompts, text prompts, or if they were using Genius Mode. Let's try this prompt directly in the text-to-video tool and see if that gives us anything better. Unfortunately, still not much improvement. Maybe Genius Mode really does make a difference, but right now I'm not getting the results I hoped for. Alright, let's switch things up and try the music generator. I'll create a track for a cinematic horror movie trailer. Let's take a listen. It sounds decent, definitely cinematic, but not particularly scary. Still, a fun tool to play around with. You can view all your creations on your profile page. And if you want more features, higher quality results, and an ad-free experience, there are paid subscription plans available too. Additionally, the videos I generated were only 1 second long. I'm guessing you can create longer ones with a paid plan. Also, videos on the free plan include a watermark, but images do not. Overall, Deep AI offers a solid suite of creative tools that you can use for free. I like the image generator. It's fast, easy, and delivers good results. The video generator didn't quite work for me, but I've seen impressive clips from the community, so it might be hit or miss depending on your setup. And the Ghibli tool is definitely a highlight. So what do you think of this tool? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our content. Thank you for watching.